Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today I will do a very interesting tutorial where I will show you how you can retweet or send your tweets to your WordPress website. So we will create a flow where from Twitter, all the tweets based on a subject, they will go all of them in your WordPress website, so on your vlog. Let's start doing that. So friends, as I said, we need a website made in WordPress, and for that I have this website, which is my website. It's a project where I'm working at the moment on this project, and we want to post on the blog all the tweets from Twitter. So as you can see here, we have only those posts, and we want to post and to make like another post, okay, from Twitter. So what we do, obviously, we created from scratch like a Microsoft Flow. I have this done already, and it's quite simple, so I'm not starting again. I'll just explain you. So when a new tweet is posted and we say Power Automate, so we put hashtag Power Automate, then we say create a new post on the website, on this website, and we add the site ID, and that will be the link of the website. And then we say new tweet from tweeted by the person who made the tweet at, and we put a time, and then we want to see the location and the tweet language, if that's available or not. And here will be the tweet text, wherever it's included in the tweet will be showing in there. Okay, perfect. So now if I'll run this, okay, and I'll go on Twitter. So I'll just say here, Power Automate. Okay, we have it in here. And that's it. I just, so I made a tweet. Okay. I'm going back to my flow. I can see that my flow was run successfully. Okay, perfect. So now when we go in our WordPress website to see our tweet, should show only the post, my post actually, with Power Automate hashtag. So we can see the tweet in here made by me on Twitter, and you can see he's saying that new tweet from Auto Analytics at, and we'll give you the date. And if you click on read more, you will see probably the hashtag Power Automate. So in this way, friends, you can basically reshare your tweets or tweets for a subject. Let's say you have a website, let's say for technology or Power Automate, or maybe construction, and you want all the hashtags with Power Automate, or maybe all the hashtags with the construction, and you want them to be posted on your website. Or maybe some people, they will post very interesting articles on Twitter. You want those to be shared on your website. And in this way, you can create a flow, and everything, whatever is going on Twitter on that subject will go on your website. I hope this was very helpful to you. If it was helpful, please subscribe, please share, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.